Welcome to our week of STEAM for March break 2022. Today we will be getting creative in engineering molecules. With that being said, what is a molecule? What is an atom? Before we get into the details, let's go over our materials that we'll need today. For today, we are going to be needing Play-Doh in various colors of choice. I would recommend about 3 to 4 different colors. We are going to be using homemade Play-Doh from a previous March break STEAM video. If you don't have Play-Doh, you can use other substitutes as well. We will be needing some building material as well, such as skewers, popsicle sticks, toothpicks, straws, or whatever you have available, as well as scissors. What is an atom in a molecule? An atom is a basic chemical element that cannot be broken down any further chemically. Think of it as a basic building block for a chemical unit.
So let's try building an oxygen molecule. To build the oxygen molecule, we are going to choose one color of Play-Doh. Today we have chosen orange to represent our oxygen. So we are going to take a chunk of Play-Doh and we're going to break it into 2, and we're going to roll them into 2 little balls, and we are going to stick them with a toothpick. And we have made our oxygen molecule. So now we're going to try and build H2O. We're going to roll out another oxygen molecule, and then we are going to roll out 2 hydrogen molecules, and we're going to use red Play-Doh for this one.
It's H2O, it's water.
Now let's try another example. Let's try making a chlorine molecule known as Cl2. To make the chlorine, we're going to choose another different color Play-Doh. So we've chosen green to represent chlorine. And we're going to take a chunk and we're going to roll it out into 2 little balls. And then you can either add them together, or you can get a toothpick and add them together that way. So now if we add chlorine atom to our H2O molecule, how does the molecule change and what does it become? Chlorine water.
Now that we have made 2 molecules together, why not try and make the molecule for salt? Its chemical formula is NaCl. Keep in mind that you may have to make more Play-Doh atoms to add to the molecule, and salt is in a crystal form, which the molecule structure is known as a lattice. What happens to the salt as it enters the water? A hint, it has something to do with the ions of the molecule. What happened when you made the Play-Doh atoms quite large and then tried to combine them together? What materials did you find worked the best to build the molecules, and why? If you tried building molecules and wanted to share a video or photo of your creation, tag us at Clarington Public Library. We would love to see how it turned out. And like and subscribe to find more of our week of STEAM this March break.